President Biden and Vice President Harris held their first joint event since Biden withdrew from the presidential race.
That's right. The pair making a very big announcement about a deal to lower prices for tens of Medicare's costliest drugs. Fox 5's Sharon Crowley is here. And Sharon, this is a very big deal for seniors.
Yeah, it is a very big deal, and you're going to hear why in just a second. That's because it impacts 67 million seniors who rely on Medicare. Under the deal negotiated with the drug companies, 10 commonly used medications, including ones used for heart disease and diabetes, would be lower starting in 2 years. President Biden and his VP taking a victory lap, making the announcement in Maryland just a short time ago. The president and vice president announcing a new deal just negotiated between Medicare and pharmaceutical companies. It lowers the cost of some commonly used prescription drugs for 67 million seniors on Medicare starting in 2026.
In the United States of America, no senior should have to choose between either filling their prescription or paying their rent.
Look. Altogether, our reforms not only save lives, but here's the point people don't talk enough about. It saves the taxpayers billions of dollars.
The list prices for drugs will be reduced by hundreds, in some cases thousands of dollars, for 30-day supplies of popular drugs used by millions of people on Medicare. Those include blood thinners, diabetes drugs, and blood cancer medications. Exactly how much less is not clear yet, but the estimate is the reductions could range between 38% and 79% when they take effect in 2 years.
This is a pretty big deal for seniors on Medicare. Up until now, Medicare has been prohibited from being involved in price negotiations for prescription drugs that Medicare covers. And the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 changed that and granted Medicare the authority to negotiate drug prices.
So as you heard, lowering the cost of prescription drugs for seniors doesn't go into effect until 2026. However, also passed under the Inflation Reduction Act, a $2,000 cap on prescription drug spending for seniors, and that starts next year. So a little good news a little earlier, Natasha and Bianca.
Yeah, but still we've got 2 years before this plan would kick in, but by then we could have another president. So what if former President Donald Trump becomes president? What happens then?
Yeah, and that is, I hate to tell everyone listening out there, we just don't know yet, but we may soon. I can tell you by looking at history, the Trump administration, when they were in office, they indicated support for this, but then never did anything about it, and Republicans are also pretty critical. So we'll sort of have to wait and see on the answer to that question.
But Sharon, we know these drug companies are out to make money. That's the bottom
true.
line. So if they're being forced to cut prices, they're gonna find a way to make up that money elsewhere. What would that look like?
Well, I'm looking at the two of you and me, and we're not on Medicare yet, so surprise. Drug companies and the lobbyists for them are already saying premiums are likely to go up to compensate for the lost revenue.
All right, well, a lot to follow there. Sharon, thank you so much.